Recently, I'm getting a lot of DMs on how I got this cool looking battery widget. Apps that we need are KWGT widget and One UI KWGT. All links will be in the description down below. After installing KWGT, head over and install this One UI KWGT as well. And now create a 1x1 KWGT widget. Click it and under Installed Packs, choose One UI. Next, search for the battery widget and click the Save button. To change the color, repeat the process and before clicking Save, go to Overlap Group, then Background, choose Paint, then Color. Now here, you need to be careful because you have to select only this part of the color. After this, click this Paint icon and choose your favorite color, then hit OK. Now only save it and you should see the color you choose. If you want more tips and tricks about your smartphone, then check out this playlist.